When I'm building any project for my client, whether it's a web 2 application or a web 3 application, I have to provide these three information, and after that we proceed ahead in the development and finalize the price, that what amount we're going to charge for the development of the application. So these are the three things I have to provide. The first one is the UI part, that how the application is going to look at. It's going to be a normal wireframe where we're going to display that what are the components we're going to have it. The second thing, we have to talk about the backend stack we're going to utilize it for storing the data and building the entire application. And the last one is the smart contract and the variable and the layout we're going to design it, and the network we're going to deploy the contract. So these are the three information we provide to the client, and then we take our development process and we finalize the whatever the charges is going to be. So that's the process whenever I take any project. So in this video I'll show you that when it's come to UI development, when you're going to suggest the client that this is the UI architecture you're going to design, these are the components you're going to have. I use an AI tool. I use multiple AI tools for generating the frame which I can display as a component, so he can identify that what are the section he going to have it. So in this video I will show you this particular tool which allow you to design the entire website design in just a matter of second. So it's such a powerful tool, and I hope you guys would loved it. And if you're working with your client, you're going to build quick wireframe and the component, and you can share with your clients. So this is the website. I'll share the link in the description so you guys can check that from your end, and you can see it's called Resume Library, or you can do a Google search. So the very first thing you have to do is you can simply click and you can watch the demo, that how it's going to work. But if you follow this video, you don't need to do that. So once you create your account, all you have to do is to come back to the Access Library. Click on that because I have already created my account, and here you will find bunch of components, private component, which you can use in the design layout. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to build everything from scratch. So here they provide you a couple of options. They will provide you this free component, they will provide you the Figma. So here you can come and you can easily able to find out that what component you want to include in your design. So let me close all of this. So we have this footer, you can check the nav bar, you can check the hero sections, and you can filter, like you can simply pick and include your design flow. So that's what you have. Now if I come back here in the, let's come back here, and where it is, come back to the Figma kit. If you click on the Figma kit, and here you will find the Figma kit is available. So like they will give you the free will component which you can include, so you can check that. Now the thing I want to show you all is here. So here we are in the home page. I have already connected my account. So to generate the sitemap for your website, all you have to do is to click here, build a sitemap, or you can click it here, click on build in sitemap, and you will come back to the workflow. So here you will have the workflow where all the sitemap will be generated, whatever command you will give. So here you will have this prompt box. You have to explain about the website which you want to generate. For example, if you want to create an NFT marketplace website, so in that you have to say I want to create an NFT market website, and you need to define that what are the pages you want to have, what are the section you want to have. So you can define the prompt in 1 or 2 words, or you can give an entire sentence. It's totally up to you. But here I will go with the example. So this is the example they have explained. So it's a Cloudify is a cloud-based accounting software product that lets small business owner manage their finance from anywhere and integrate with more than itna apps. So this is the perfect example of a SaaS business where it's creating a product which can allow them to connect with multiple apps. You can define as many pages as you want. You can go with 5 or less or high. I want to go with 5, more than like 6. Let's click on this generate, and it's going to generate it will generate the sitemap of your application. So here you can see that here it is generating the sitemap. So this is the home page section. So you will have nav bar, you will have the hero section, feature section, you will have feature list, benefit sections, review sections, price, and you will have CTA, newsletter. So all of this, so these are the components you're going to have. Okay, so once you go with this, if you want to do any editing, you can do that. I'll show you how you can do the editing. And once it will create the entire sitemap, so you can see it's create the entire sitemap, that it has the feature, pricing, integration, blog, about, contact us, and blog post. So these are the pages. If you want to add more pages, you can simply click and you can give the more page, like add more pages, and you can say SOCIAL, social, or you can call whatever you want. Now you can click here, and here you will have this 2 options called generate page, or you can have a generate new sitemap. So if you want to generate a new one, you can simply click here and you can simply give the command, and I'll go with the same one. It's going to generate the next one. So this is the one, the first one we have generated, and this is the second one it's generating. So just wait, again it's created this pages, and this will take a little bit time, so just wait a moment. And finally it generated the sitemap. And now what I want to do is I want to generate the pages. So this is the home page, and these are the pages we have to generate. So click on this continue generate page, and it's going to create the pages. So just wait, this will take a little bit time and it will happen very quickly. So it's generating that, and this one is really powerful. You will see that how powerful it is. So just a moment, it's generating the file. And so this one is looking good to me. So this one is done. So it's generated all the component we're going to have in each one of these pages. If you want to duplicate it, you can simply duplicate from here. And if you want to just simply like change the set part, you can do that. You can simply move it, drag and drop. And if you like to change the prop, for example, like if you see that all of these are just a props, you have to type the props to the AI, and on the base of these props, this AI will generate the component. Okay, so you can do the editing very easily. So you can do that. So I don't want to have this duplicate, I can simply delete this one. And you can, or you can do one thing, you can simply regenerate as well. Okay, you can ask for help and you can say generate page, and it's going to generate the page one more time. So let's delete this one because we are generating one, and it will generate. So once you're done with this entire sitemap of your application, you can see we have so many pages, all the components are looking pretty good, and all the things are good, fine. Now I want to generate the wireframe, the design for the application with the help of the sitemap. So simply click on this wireframe. Once you will click, it will generate the pages. I'm in the wireframe section, and you can see that based on the props we have defined in the sitemap, it's generated the website layout. So currently this one is my test account because I have a lot of ongoing project in my original account, but I can show you. So if you create your account, it will give you only one free project. That's why you're not able to see the other pages, but you can see this particular one. So let me zoom a bit and let me show you. So it will generate the page based on the sitemap we have defined. So if I zoom a bit and click, and here you will give you all the layouts which you can simply pick from. Right now we cannot do that because it's in the free accounts, and that's why we can do it. So if you want to change the layout, you can simply do that. You can simply select it. So if I click on that, you can easily able to change the slide mode. Like you can go with this one or you can go with this one. It's totally fine. You can easily able to adjust all of this thing, or you can simply regenerate that. So if I want to regenerate and or replace, you can simply do it here. That looks fine. So if you talk about the footer section, this is how the footer section would look like. So again, this one is really powerful. I want you to come and have a look. Just spend some time. This will increase the speed of your development. So if you're working as a freelancer and one-man army for your agency, then this kind of things will help you, because in this way you can be able to generate the sitemap very quickly. Because when you will send something like this to your client, that this is what you have designed, in just a day they will be impressed and they will see that you are a professional. Chances will go up for getting the project. Okay, so these kind of tricks you have to use when you will work as a one-man army or when you are starting your own agency. So again, this is such a powerful tool which I want you to come and have a look. You can do a lot of things. Okay, or you can simply export that one. So once you design the entire application, you can simply export. Simply come here and you can simply export to Figma. You can simply click here and you can export to Figma, or if you want to share this particular workflow, you can share with anyone, with your client. So click on this share, and here it says it will give you this particular copy the link, open a new tab and simply paste here, and you can simply send the link of this particular application to your client. And here you can see this is the workflow. This is a sitemap you have generated. If you click on this wireframe, and they can able to see that this is the website structure, how it look like. Okay, they can only see, they're not able to do any changes. So this kind of things will help you a lot. Or you can change the name very easily, like you can call whatever you want to your project. Okay, you can change the name, let's say Daulat. You can give your name, or you can give your name to your project. You can check the responsiveness of your application. So that's how it's going to look on the tab. If you look at the mobile phone, that's how it's going to look on the mobile phone. So it's 100% responsive as well. So if you click on that, it's going to open the menu like this. You can close it. So again, I don't want to extend this video. I want you to come and have a look. This is absolutely amazing, and it will save a lot of your time in your entire development process. So that's the only thing I want to talk about. Let me know in the comment section that if you guys want to watch videos related to the AI in terms of UI designment or backend development or smart contract development, then definitely I can bring those tutorials as well, where I can show you that how you can use the AI in the project for building faster project and making more secure and getting creative. Okay, so those kind of thing I'm going to include. So do let me know in the comment section. I would try to make a video on that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.